This will be your spacious living and dining area, kitchen where you will get two parallel platforms, and this is your largest master bedroom, which is a hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Sai World Empire by Paradise Group located in Kharghar. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right outside the sales office. And to my left is the actual land parcel of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now I will show you the actual land parcel, the actual tower and all the ready amenities of this project. Now, talking about the project overview, this project is constructed on a land parcel of 18 acres that has 6 towers. As you can see, 3 towers are ready and 3 towers are in construction. This project has 2 basements plus ground plus 2 levels of podium parking, and this is the 3rd level of podium that has the amenities. Then it has 46 residential floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Talking about the amenities, this project has 100 plus amenities. Right now we are standing at the entrance of the clubhouse, Club Athena, that is common for all the 6 towers in the project. And right opposite to the clubhouse, we have the Sai Temple of the project. Now I will take you inside the clubhouse and show you all the amenities of this project. As we enter the clubhouse, you can see this is the seating area. This will be your reception desk, and the clubhouse has amenities from G to 5 floors. Now we will be showing you all the amenities in this clubhouse. Let's move it to it. As we move forward to the left of the reception, we have this dashing car zone. And at the basement, we have the badminton court and the squash court. This is the basement of the clubhouse where you can see you have 2 squash courts. And over there we have the badminton court. This is your badminton court in the basement of the clubhouse right beside the squash courts. This is your DJ and karaoke zone on the ground floor of the clubhouse. This is your gaming zone where you have the bowling alley and many more games. And this is your dance studio. We also have music studio and art and craft gallery in the project. This is your music room, and the tire for the music room is with Shankar Mahadevan. This is your private theatre that you can see is very spacious. This theatre has the capacity of 65. Now we are at the podium level of this project. As you can see, this is your wave pool. On the left, we have an Olympic-sized swimming pool, and also we have a jacuzzi, and on the right, we have the kids pool. So these were the few amenities that we showed you. This project also has a library, a banquet hall, kids play area and many more amenities. The clubhouse that we showed you was of 75,000 square feet. All these amenities are ready. You can come to the site and visit. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Sector 36 Kharghar, from where Kharghar railway station is only 15 minutes drive. Upcoming Kharghar-Turbe link road is only 2 minutes drive. Taloja highway is only 2 to 3 minutes drive. Amandut metro station is only 800 meters away, and ISKCON temple is only 4 minutes drive. And also Asia's second largest park, Central Park, is also at a 4-minute drive distance. You also have Navi Mumbai International Airport at a 15-minute drive distance, and school, colleges and hospital within 500 meters to 1 kilometer distance from the project. To know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we are standing outside the 4 BHK of Sai World Empire. This 4 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 2050 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. First, as we enter, you will get a video door phone provided, and at the entrance you can see you have the access to the video door phone from this corner. This will be your spacious living and dining area. As you can see, you can place your sofas in this corner and at the main living room as well. You have plenty of walkable space left. This project is a theme-based project on kings and queens, so your whole apartment, your bedrooms is king and queen sizes. As you can see, you can place your sofas, center tables, customize your huge and luxury TV unit, and you will still have plenty of walkable space. Over here, you will get full French windows with a very spacious balcony. As you can see, the balcony is very spacious. You can place your swings, your tea tables, tea chairs and enjoy tea time with your family with a beautiful view. Moving forward, over here we have a dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meals with your family. Now let's move to the kitchen. As we move forward, this will be your kitchen where you will get 2 parallel platforms, and as you can see, the kitchen is very spacious. Even if you open all the drawers, you will still have walkable space. You will be getting gas, chimney and water purifier provided in the kitchen. You can customize your lower cabinets, your upper cabinets, and also build lofts if you want. You have place to place your refrigerator, and also you will get a full French window with a utility balcony where you can also place your washing machine. Right in front of the kitchen, we have a common washroom and a utility area. You can customize a wash basin over here, and that will be your common washroom. That will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings, and also geysers are provided in all the washrooms. Now moving forward, over here we have a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your queen size bed and you will have walkable space left. You can customize your wardrobes over here, and over here you will get half French windows with a glass facade to give you a beautiful view of your neighborhood. Moving forward, to the right of this common bedroom, we have a first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. This is a queen size bedroom. You can place your side tables, customize your TV unit. As you can see, you have plenty of walkable space. As the project says, queen and kings, this is a queen size bedroom. You will get a very spacious balcony in this bedroom as well with full French windows. You can place your swings and sofas and make this your seating corner as well for a beautiful view. Moving forward, in this bedroom you will get a walk-in wardrobe that you can see is very spacious. You can customize your closet and lofts if you want. And over here we have the attached washroom that is also very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Geyser is provided in this washroom also. Now moving forward to the other bedrooms. This will be your alley area to your other master bedrooms. You will get 3 master bedrooms in this 4 BHK. This is your second master bedroom, which is very spacious. You can place your side tables, your queen size bed. And as you can see, you have plenty of walkable space. You will also get full French windows with a balcony in this bedroom. This will be your spacious standing balcony. And over here, we have the walk-in wardrobe and the washroom. You will get walk-in wardrobe in all the 3 master bedrooms. You can customize your makeup corner, customize your wardrobes. And this will be your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. May I mention geysers is provided in all the washrooms.
Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project.
Give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the largest master bedroom of this 4 BHK. Over here we have a largest master bedroom. You will get a foyer area that gives you full privacy, and this is your largest master bedroom, which is a
King size bedroom. You can place a king size bed, the side table.
Make a seating corner as well. You can also make this corner as a study corner, and you will get full French windows with a very spacious balcony in this bedroom. As you can see, the balcony in your king size bedroom is also a king size balcony. You can place swings, tea tables, tea chairs, enjoy tea time with your family. Moving forward, over here we have the walk-in wardrobe, which is very spacious. You can customize your makeup corner, customize your wardrobes, and also build loft. And this will be your attached washroom that is also very spacious. It will also come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So as you saw, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of Sai World Empire. As the theme says, kings and queens, all the bedrooms were of king and queen sizes. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, I would like to ask you one question. You have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sai World Empire by Paradise Group located in Kharghar.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.